Okay, the next question is, tell me about a time when you had to handle conflicting feedback from multiple stakeholders. How did you manage it? Here's a good answer. In a previous project, I was working on a new feature for a product, and I received conflicting feedback from two stakeholders, the product manager and the design team. The product manager wanted the feature to be delivered quickly to meet a market opportunity, while the design team wanted to take extra time to refine the user interface to ensure it was polished and user-friendly. As the lead engineer, my responsibility was to balance these competing priorities and ensure that we delivered a product that met both the business goals and user experience standards. I needed to find a way to incorporate both viewpoints into a feasible plan while keeping the project on track. I scheduled meetings with both the product manager and the design team to understand their concerns more clearly. I facilitated a discussion where each stakeholder could voice their priorities and limitations. Afterward, I proposed a phased approach. We would initially release a functional version of the feature with a focus on core functionality and a simplified design, then iterate and refine the user interface in subsequent releases. I ensured that both teams were aligned with this approach and that we communicated the plan to all stakeholders. The phased approach was approved by both the product manager and the design team. We successfully delivered the feature on time while allowing for future design improvements. The feedback loop was smoother in the following phases, and we ended up getting positive reviews from users as well. This experience taught me the importance of clear communication and compromise when balancing multiple stakeholders' needs. Why this works? It should work well because 1. Demonstrates strong communication and collaboration skills. You show that you can effectively manage differing opinions through open communication and collaboration. 2. Shows problem solving and flexibility. By suggesting a phased approach, you demonstrate creativity and flexibility in finding a solution that satisfied both sides. 3. Emphasizes results and stakeholder alignment. You provide a clear outcome, emphasizing that both teams were satisfied with the solution and that the project succeeded. 4. Highlights learning and growth. The lesson learned about clear communication and compromise is valuable for future collaboration, showing that you reflect on experiences and grow from them. What you should avoid saying. 1. Ignoring the stakeholder concerns. Avoid saying something like, I just decided to go with what I thought was best. This ignores the input of others and could suggest a lack of collaboration or empathy for stakeholder needs. 2. Lack of action or problem solving. Avoid responses like, I just waited for the stakeholders to resolve it. It's important to show that you took action to resolve the conflict, not just that you let it go unresolved. 3. Oversimplifying the situation. Saying something like, the feedback was conflicting, but we worked it out easily, can sound unrealistic and fail to capture the complexity of handling conflicting stakeholder interests. 4. Focusing only on one stakeholder. Avoid focusing only on one party's concerns, e.g., just the product manager or design team, without showing how you manage the feedback from all involved parties. Thanks for watching. For more tech interview questions, please go to bowsiate.com.